everyone, welcome to hauchicyt. So today I'm going to talk about what's in my work bag, and I have two work bags to show you. So the first work bag that I own is this one, and this one's from Knomo, and I really like this one because it's just so simple. It may not look so glamorous whilst I am putting it up here, but it is a classic look, and I just love how comfortable this is to wear, and I just like how it fits everything I need. It's got this backpack design, and yet it's very sleek and chic. So I have this top zipper here, and this is where I can have a lot of my items. I love how it has the red inner lining in there so that it just makes it easier for me to see inside. And it has a laptop pocket here, and then also some extra pockets inside. And also this top pocket, I usually keep my valuable items in there, such as like my phone, my wallet, and then I zip it shut so nothing falls out. And then here we have a really nice front pocket, also with the red lining, and it has a RFID pouch here, so it's very useful for keeping your cards and card slots in here. And then it has pen holders, extra pockets, and a big pocket here. So this is a very organized bag, and I remember paying around £70 for it because it was on sale, and I think they run around £100-ish. Not cheap, but not expensive either, and something that is more work appropriate, and it's just really travel friendly for me. And what makes it even more travel friendly is at the back you have this little zipper here, and you can actually put it on top of luggage, so you can just slide your luggage all the way through, and it's just a very practical bag to use for traveling too. So this is a very good bag for when I go conferencing or when I travel and I need to pack my laptop, and it just protects and is very comfortable to wear. Inside we can fit in my laptop, so this is the Macbook Pro 13-inch, and I attach my hard drive and my adapter here because this doesn't have a lot of plugs, so I need my HDMI and my USB cables, and I just attach them using Velcro. So just a top tip, if you don't want to drop all of your hard drives when moving around the office, then I like to just attach it with Velcro, and it's just very perfect on the go, and you can take your work everywhere. Then I have my keyboard, and this is the Logitech one, and it's the pink keyboard. I just think it's super aesthetic and super easy to use and carry, so I keep that in the pocket. And then I have my laptop stand because I'm all about ergonomics. I just want everything to be comfortable, and I work on the computer a lot, so this is a big must-have for me, and it just makes everything just easier and nicer for you to work in. And then I have this pouch, which is my makeup pouch, but I don't keep makeup in here. I actually use a lot of these Dior makeup pouches for just organizing my bag. So this is just my chargers, my mouse, another ergonomic mouse, which is the Logitech one, and also my battery pack. That is everything in the main pocket, and it just keeps everything nice and tidy for you. And then at the front I keep my wallet, and I just put that in the front pocket. And then I also have my reusable bag, and I just shove that in the back pocket. Hand sanitizer, big must. This one smells really nice, and it's from Nature Republic, and it's the Camellia scent, so this one's really nice. And then I have my earbuds. This one's from Samsung, and I just like to keep a nice cute case on there. So that all goes in the front, and it all fits inside, so it's really comfortable to wear, and I really like how elegant this looks when you wear it, and you feel like you can dress this up and it looks more business chic. So something that really reflects my personality, but also in a more professional way. So that is what's in my work bag. Now, an alternative way that I can go to work, but I don't really do this often because body composition, ergonomics, everything, I just want to reduce my risk of injuries, but I do sometimes use my Longchamp totes because I kind of want to be a little bit more dressy, but I only really use this very rarely because when you do carry a laptop with you, it gets very heavy and it's just not very practical to use. But if I do have a suitcase where I can plonk this bag on, then I can use this bag and it just makes it a little bit nicer and prettier to use. And because it's such a big bag, this is the large size, it's just one massive hole. Now, it's not very good for organizing, so that's why I have a bag organizer that I got from AliExpress. And I like this one because it's got more of a narrow shape at the top and then the wider base. So it just makes it a really pretty way to use this. So inside we have everything organized in there. So it fits my laptop. I would bring my chargers and my mouse, and then I'll just bring my card holder. And I don't think I'll bring my keyboard and my little stand here when I do carry this bag because it will get too heavy to put everything on one shoulder. I think this would be the amount that I would be comfortable with. And that's what it looks like inside. So it's nice and organized and it's just a really pretty bag to wear. So something that I can just be a little bit more girly and just want a nice pop of color, and this one is the bag that I would choose. I think using a non-luxury branded bag, it's a bit more ideal for work environments because if you do bring some luxury goods into work, I have heard horror stories where it can prevent you from getting a promotion, or it kind of just gives that wrong vibe to your boss where, oh, I think this person is doing well, they don't need to have a pay rise, and that's all, just from the way that you dress to work. So it shouldn't be a thing, but somehow it does actually become something that can prevent you from getting a good career in the future. I hope that this might change in the future, but for now, this is the kind of work environment we live in, and we just gotta see what will happen next in the next few years. But this is what we are working with. So I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you want to see more of my bag collection, then I'll link it here, and I'll see you there. Bye!